Okay, I just wanted to do like a little quick details video on baby Mei and Mai, or whatever her name is, and Su Lin from Paradise Galleries. They have the cutest faces, oh my gosh. And I love other ethnic babies and Asian babies. They're so cute. Anyways, I decided to do a quick details video on them. They're definitely different from reborns, but they're definitely cute as heck. Now, let's see. This is the outfit that baby Mei or Mai comes in. This is her certificate of authenticity. I don't really say it. And it's by Ping Lao. And just on the side. And guess this. There we go. And take these off. Oh, she doesn't have a diaper on. Su Lin has a diaper on, but baby Mai doesn't have one on. And this is a little head thing that comes on. It is Velcro. So I'm not too fond of this little leaf here. I'm probably going to cut it off. I don't like it. Or leave it, because that's just how it came. And I think what I will do eventually is give them the new bodies, like the really cute ones from Bountiful Baby that has the like the crease in the bottom, and then oops, I don't want to be too rifled there, and then go ahead and stuff her with the glass beads. I got these glass beads from Bountiful Baby. These are what the twins that I made have in them. These nice expensive glass beads from Bountiful Baby. But I need to find a wholesale place to get glass beads. And I think I figured it out, but I'll probably keep this body so I can always put it back on her. But with these babies, as you can see with their limbs, I don't know if I really don't think there's like any glass beads or anything. There might be a little bit of stuffing down in here and here, and there's not a lot of detail like some of the reborns have. There's a little more, I think there's a little more creases on the hands and the feet here, and maybe a little stuffing in the hands and right here, but they feel hollow. The body, there's some kind of beading in her rear end. You can feel it, and stuffing right here. And it looks like this might be tie strings, but I don't know for sure. I don't want to tear that apart until I've got a new body to put on her. And she has lightly painted hair. And I'm going to do this, but I don't want you to think I'm being rough or mean, but her head feels hollow. There's like, I don't think there's anything in it. But I just wanted to show you that so you know. But this is baby Mei or Mai. And then we'll go to Su Lin. Okay guys, this is Su Lin from Paradise Galleries. This is her certificate. And there's that. And she came in this little sleeper. She didn't come in this onesie. She came in a sleeper and a diaper. And let me take this off her. And then take that off. And then take the onesie off. Oops, there we go. Okay, so she's kind of the same scenario as baby Mei or Mai, however you say it. Like everything's kind of hollow. There might be a little bit of stuffing here in the bottom. I'm a little disappointed in mine. Mine has this purple ink mark down here. I'm not too sure if I call and tell them about it. They might blame it on me, even though I filmed the box opening. But still, it's just such a hassle. If I can't get it off, then I might have to do a switch and return, because it really bugs me when there's marks like that on babies. Anyways, oh, there's still a little bit of wrapping paper on her. Anyways, okay. Anyways, so her body's kind of the same. She's got, you can't see it, but under her diaper, on her bottom part, she's got kind of the same kind of beading thing in her body. Anything's hollow. Sorry, I have to squeeze her, and it's kind of disturbing to see her head squeeze. But she has a little bit more hair painting than baby Mai or Mei. Her bottom lashes are painted, and so are baby Mei or Mai's. But the top lashes look like they are They look glued on. I don't believe they're rooted. You know, but their faces are so cute. It's probably because Ping Lao is the sculptor, and he sculpts really cute faces. He's got little pieces of hair on her. I don't know why. Huh. Anyways, she has little nail tipping. Oh, I guess baby Mei might have too. Yeah, but I guess hers are a little bit darker nail tipping. So they're cute. They're really cute. Their vinyl's definitely different than a reborn. Not as many details on the hands and feet. Well, but some of the reborn kits don't have a lot of too many details either. There's also a mark right here too. I don't know what that is, and that's how she came too. So I really might have to return her. But that's her. One thing I wanted to say too is Su Lin's head moves, but my doll, baby Mai or Mei, head doesn't move. And I believe their arms and legs are the exact same. I put them in matching outfits just to see how cute they look. See if they could pass as twins. They do have different colored eyes too. One has brown and one's kind of a greenish. Anyways, that's the girls.